Hey, what's up? I haven't uploaded in all hell, so I decided that it was a good time to show this. So I need some work, as you can see. And here's the battery. The adapters for it are coming in soon, so we can put this on and then that over it. Wow, I really just fucking jumped into this, didn't I? Whatever. I guess we're into it. And then here's some lights, and then up there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these and run them over to one of these switches and hook it up, and then run that wire back, way over back here to the battery. Oh, I thought I saw it to stop recording. So it's got some suspension. Wait, why the fuck is that up on jack stands? Hang on, let me get it off the jack stands. One moment. I don't know why the fuck it's on jack stands. Oh. Jesus! I don't know what happened. Here, I'm just gonna have to I'll just leave it. Fuck it. You know, man, it's fine. Well, it's an off-road go-kart. So I guess I could just no, it's too dangerous. Try and tighten it. Fuck. So it's up on jack stands. Fuck me. And then, God damn it, what did I do? Fuck. Wait, where the hell did, oh, there it is. I was looking for that old thing. The 212 Predator. This one is like a 420 or something. I don't know. I got it for pretty shit. pretty shit. I got it for pretty cheap. It's got pretty light suspension. It's got a button here. I guess that can be our electric start, eh? And then it appears that this one is hooked up to this one. So you have to and that's all this one. And to press this one. And maybe we could hook up some lights. Cool. So I did some arrangements out here, even though it still looks like shit. Got a nice luggage rack up here. Seatbelts. This is like a fucking luxury go-kart, dude. See that? So, me and my dad are gonna work on this eventually. It needs a new belt. The belt is bad, See, it's all torn up and stuff. So, right down here, so here's our starter. Here's our starter wire coming down into a solenoid, it appears. And this negative lead is ground, so that is grounded. I'm just gonna look at this. I'm not gonna do anything any further yet. So we need a flag post terminal adapter for this to fit onto there. And then we need some kind of adapter for this to fit onto there. So I don't really know what to do next with this project. So the gas and brake already ran. So here's the gas line. Here's the bowl. So I need to buy a new one of those and then get that battery picked up and then do some wiring. And then maybe add plexiglass to the front of that. A seat right here maybe. That's what I'm thinking. I added a fucking pool noodle here because I thought it looked cool. Oh. Got a little bit of allergy. Oh, here's some wire right here. That's cool. See if I got some wire strippers in here. I don't see any. Alright. Oh shit, that scared me. Oh, there's some. Oh yeah, those aren't wire strippers. Oh, here's some. Wait, these aren't either. These look like wire strippers. God damn it, man. Where the fuck are my wire strippers? Hi, mirror. Alright. Skateboarding. Oh, you know what would be cool? Take this out to the dunes. Oh, that'd be sick. Hit some jumps. Awesome. Okay, well, I just wanted this to be an update on everything, and I might be recording some of the work that I do on this buggy, go-kart, whatever. It's called the Carter. I already looked it up. What's that? Is that a fuse? Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. It's called the Carter. So just go ahead and look that up. try to give me some information down below in the comments. So I think that'll be it for this video. See you guys on the next one. Peace.